Hey, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Delivery back at it with another DoorDash ride along, and it's 5:44 a.m. 5:44 a.m. Tuesday, April 12th. First order of today is Starbucks 658 for 4.5 miles, ETA 17. All right, fam, let's go drop off this Starbucks. Let's go. All right. Since this is a ride along, I'll let you guys see the beautiful view before the sunrise.
In 1 mile, proceed straight on East Bellevue Avenue.
Using my GoPro today, fam. I think the sunrise, like what, 6:20 or something like that. 55 degrees, sunny today. Beautiful day to go do food delivery, fam. Let's go. All right. So with Uber Eats, the tips don't come in like until 2 hours later. And sorry, my interior lights is out today, fam. I gotta go get that fixed today. So without the tips, it's only $2.50, you know. But this one has the expected tip of $6.58 with the expected tips. What did they tip? Like $4, you know, on a Starbucks order. Yeah, this one's all right, you know. But since it's early, it's like 5:30 a.m. I've been up since 5 p.m. fam, so I have to go get my Colorado license plates today, and then tomorrow I have to renew my driver license. So, and if I try to go to home and sleep, I probably can't wake up and get my driver license today. But cowbell. Nah, this order don't make sense, fam. See, if I was right here, if I was right there, then it would make sense. But look at that. Come on, man. 11.7 for 9.68. Offer too low. No dough, no go. Offer too low, that's a no. Last night was good though. Last night with Uber Eats. I was streaming last night. Vincenity and Jonathan K and Emma. Yeah, they saw it. Last night was good, fam. 103 and 415 last night. 103, 415. Well, since we have a minute, let's go look at earnings from last night. All right. Hopefully you guys can see that I'm shooting with my GoPro. $19, 9.9 miles, 25 minutes. 11, 14 minutes, 3.1 miles, 10:55, 15 minutes, 2.7. And a couple of bangers from DoorDash last night as well. Had a 27, 10 miles, took me a total of 35 minutes. So last night was Monday night. I didn't start working till like 10 p.m. so I say that's pretty good for a graveyard dash last night, dash Uber Eats, you know. But you know, I usually don't work at this early, fam. So yeah, that Grubhub didn't make sense. And yeah, I don't know where the hot spot is at with Grubhub. Well, it is Tuesday morning, so you know, I should have grabbed that Grubhub order, huh? All right, fam, let's drive towards downtown, huh? Nah, it's gonna be decline, fam. Decline. Take the bus there, bozo. All right. Yeah, Grubhub is just dead, fam. Grubhub is just dead. Let's go somewhere bright, huh? My interior lights is out. Is that what you call it? The one up here? Map light or whatever, map light. It used to be called map light. With the paper map. Let's pull up in here somewhere bright. Hamden Pet Hospital. That way you guys can see me a little bit better. There's no driver out this early. 8.4 for 650. I mean, if I was a little bit closer, that'd be a good order, but you know. Sure, the customer tips. I think the customer like tipped like $2, but no way, Jose. Decline. Decline. I mean, if I was right in front of the McDonald's, that one's pretty good, but I'm like, what, 8 miles away from that McDonald's? Hell no. All right, here's last night with the DoorDash fam. Active time 138, dash time 248, and keep in mind that I multi-app, so 48.50 in 1 hour 38 minutes, and see, this double stack was pretty good. The 1825 and the 925. Yeah, that one was like 27 for 10 miles. Took me like 35 minutes. And I had to go pee really bad too. All right, earlier, 1 minute earlier, I didn't miss it, but I didn't have a chance to record the Grubhub offer. So this is what they Grubhub offered me. 15 miles for 11.27. See, I'm at the blue spot. That's where Voodoo Donut is at. And that's where the house is at. Nah, it's not worth it, fam. I mean, 15 for miles for like maybe $20. I might think about it since it's a Tuesday morning, but nah. Just gonna wait for something better, fam. Okay. Now I remember why it's not busy. I'm on like Broadway and Hampton. This is not a breakfast place. Breakfast place is like around downtown, you know. So let's drive towards downtown, huh? We're like 7 miles away from downtown. All right, fam. Follow me in my journey. All right, it's gonna be a decline, fam. 6.2 miles for $6. Take the bus there, bozo. Let me pull over. Decline. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so now DoorDash switch it to a two-step decline without asking you a reason. They keep on switching up these features, man. Before it's one click, and before that it was you need to give a reason why. Now is it's a two-step decline. But yeah, anyway, that last order didn't make sense, you know. Just gonna wait for something better, fam. Alright, this is Grubhub. It's gonna be a rejected like Matumbo. Sorry, I'm driving, so can't show you the rejection part, but offer too low. $6 for 1 mile, I might do it, you know, but nah, 6 for 4 miles, nah, I'm good, man. We're driving closer to downtown, fam. And the sun's gonna rise at 6:27 a.m. 13 minutes away from sunrise, fam. Alright, I'll grab this one, I'll grab this one. Yeah, I know it's not the best.
Starbucks 2700 S Colorado Boulevard, University Hills Mall.
I know it's not the best, but it's Tuesday. Alright, let's go get it, fam. Alright. Pulling up to Starbucks, fam. On Yale in Colorado. Alright. Beautiful sunrise. I don't know if you guys can see it now, but somewhere over there is the sun. Alright, we're going down to Denver Tech Center, fam. DTC Denver Tech Center. It's only 7 minutes. It's mostly highway. From Starbucks to the customer's house, about 3.7 miles. Let's go! Alright, fam. I didn't realize the Denver Motor Vehicle branch is open
In a quarter mile, make a left turn on East Happy Canyon Road.
7 a.m. So after this drop off, I'm gonna head to Denver Motor Vehicle, get my Colorado license plates, fam. It's gonna be it's gonna expire tomorrow. Alright, fam, just want to say thank you for watching this short ride along video. Yeah, it was a Tuesday morning. It was pretty slow. I think I only made like $30 in 2 hours or something. And I had to go get my license plate at 7 a.m. so couldn't work much that day. But thank you everybody for watching. Happy Easter, fam. Peace.